Mark garment length, 85 centimeters, and cut off lower pant legs. Rip side, inner, and center rise seams up to fly. Iron denim panels flat and trim excess fabric along legs. Stitch center front/back seams and finish with serger. Top stitch center seams using matching denim thread. Prepare printed fabric and cut out side wedges. Pin and serge raw side edges of wedges to denim. Sew wedges to denim base and check symmetry. Top stitch wedge attachment seams and even out bottom edge. Serge bottom edge, fold hem, and stitch down. Show finished denim skirt.